Hello everyone. Welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today we have something truly special for you, a kitchen upgrade that not only enhances functionality but also adds a touch of sophistication to your space. We're talking about the KOHLER R77764-SD-VS Arise Articulating Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. Stick around as we dive into the features and benefits that make this faucet a game changer. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's jump right in. The KOHLER R77764-SD-VS Arise Articulating Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet is a versatile and stylish option for any kitchen. It is packed with features that make it both functional and convenient. If you are looking for a high-quality kitchen faucet that will make your life easier, the Arise is a great option. Here are some of the features and benefits of the KOHLER R77764-SD-VS Arise Articulating Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. Articulating arm. Extends and pivots for 45 of clearance. Ideal for filling large pots or cleaning bulky items. Swivels 360 for maximum reach throughout your sink. 2-function spray head. Pull-down sprayer offers both aerated stream and wide, forceful sweep spray for tackling tough messes. Touch control lets you switch spray modes easily. Docknetic magnetic docking system. Spray head securely snaps into place with a magnet, preventing dripping or dangling. Provides a clean and streamlined look to your faucet. Additional features. 1.5 GPM maximum flow rate for water efficiency. Single hole installation simplifies setup. Pre-assembled hoses and quick connect fittings for easier DIY installation. Built-in soap or lotion dispenser for added convenience. Vibrant stainless finish provides a durable and stylish look. Optional escutcheon plate covers existing sink holes. Limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind. Depends on your individual needs, budget, and kitchen layout. Weigh the pros and cons carefully and compare to other options before making your final choice. Here are some additional things to consider. Alternatives. If the price is a concern, consider other high-quality pull-down faucets from KOHLER or other reputable brands. If space is limited, a standard pull-down faucet without the articulating arm might be more suitable. If simplicity is your priority, a basic pull-down with fewer features might be a better fit. Here's a breakdown of its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Pros. Articulating design. Pull-down sprayer. Quality materials. Finish options. Brand reputation. Easy installation. Cons. Cost. Maintenance. Overall, the KOHLER R77764-SD-VS Arise Articulating Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet is a high-quality faucet with a stylish design and many functional features. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. However, it's also a more expensive option, and the installation process can be challenging. If you're looking for a durable and stylish faucet for your kitchen and are willing to pay a premium price, the KOHLER is a good choice. But if you're on a budget or prefer a simpler installation, there are other options available. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the KOHLER R77764-SD-VS. Arise Articulating Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement video.